Finding domain and range from a linear graph in context. Now it gives us this good information about SAM and the formula for circumference of a circle, but what we really care about is right here. Find the domain and the range of the function shown. So it shows us this function, and we want to know what the domain and the range is. Now, also important information, write your answers as inequalities, because there's a few different ways we could write this, but it wants it as inequalities using x or y as appropriate. So first, domain is going to be all of our possible x values or all of our possible inputs we can plug in. So we're going to use x for this, and we know that we start, the lowest possible x value in this graph is 0. It doesn't go any further down than 0. So I'm going to start with a 0 here. And I'm going to put my x right there. Now, 0 compared to x, 0 is going to be the lowest. And so I'm going to have 0 less than x here. But we do include 0 because there's a filled in. So I'm going to have less than or equal to. Now, as we go up to the highest, or right to the highest possible x value, it's going to go forever, right? Arrow this way. It's going to go all the way to infinity. So we're going to put an infinity over here, and we're going to have our less than sign because x is going to be less than infinity. We're not going to do an or equal to because we can't actually plug infinity in. So then we'll do range for our y values, and guess what? The range looks exactly the same. The lowest possible y value is 0, and as it goes up, goes on forever up into infinity. So I'm going to do 0 is less than or equal to y this time for range, and then less than infinity.